Hey there, what's going on? Happy spring break. This is my spring break original project, and today I'm going to be cooking for you. I'm going to be making for you a traditional Mexican burrito. Say that with me. This is the proper Spanish pronunciation burrito. It is not called a twister. You can't call it a twister. They also call it a wrap. That's wrong. Okay, it is a burrito. Call a burrito, please. Okay, now, burro. Burro is loba. Okay, that's where the name originates from. Nobody understands why. They don't know why they call it, but there are a lot of stories behind it. Arroba, okay, is a working animal. You put a lot of stuff on its back and it will haul items that normally can't be carried long distances, and that's why they use the roba to carry these things. Anything on top of a donkey's back, you can put anything inside of a burrito. And just to show you what I mean, I went to the convenience store earlier and got some stuff from the convenience store. Edamame butaniku chahan, okay, spicy chicken. I'm going to be using all of this to make you guys a burrito, okay? So now I'm ready to go. I got all of my ingredients, but I don't have a spoon. Hold on. Okay, I got all my ingredients. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a bowl, okay, and put the rice in first. Pork fried rice, like so. Okay, and then take my salsa. I got this from Costco. You can get it at Costco. Put a generous amount of salsa in here, like that. And then my edamame and cabbage. Not too much. So we got one here. Put into the tortilla so it can stick together. Okay, if it's already mixed up like this, it's not gonna be falling all over the place. So every bite that you get, it's going to be even and it's gonna be yummy, yum, yum. Okay, I'm not gonna put my chicken in yet. I'll put that in later. Okay, so now for the important part. I need my tortillas. I use the jumbo size from Costco. First, heat them up on the stove. Okay, now, okay, so after you finish heating up your tortillas, what you're gonna do is you're gonna put one on top of the other like this, okay? And then you take your ingredients. Take your ingredients like this. Make sure that they're near you. The folding. 1, 2, okay. And then take the back, you come, and you fold it in as you come to the other side. Ooh, check that out. Now that, oh, perfecto. Check that out. That is a burrito, but we're not done yet, okay? We're not done. You gotta put it in the skillet to sear it. And that's what it should look like. Okay, so this one I made for the girls. So I will put it in my foil, like so. And that's what it looks like on the inside there. Got everything in there balanced and delicious, full of deliciousness. And these are for Miss Yukino and Saiko. What is it?
So good.
So good, right?
Crunchy, spicy,